It's like 10'8" long. The width of the vehicle itself is 54. With the mirrors, you're about 63. Stock height's about 70 inches to the rack. The bed is actually 4'4" on the inside by 6'6" almost. 4'4" by 6'6". 11-inch high side rails. V didn't fit very well behind the steering wheel because he's like 6'2", I believe, and he's a big guy. There is quite a bit of headroom. Looks like 3 foot of headroom, but the problem is he's got long legs, so his legs came all the way up. His knees were like just touching the steering wheel here. I fit. I'm 5'10". It's fine for me. Comes straight from Japan with whoever had it before's keys. This has half of a plate. I don't know what the hell they did here. I guess they couldn't get the screws off. Wish I had the whole plate. That would have been kind of cool. Dihatsu's Toyota, so of course, if that key looks familiar, it's because it's a Toyota key. This model has a diff lock. This is for the cargo or bed light. I figured that out last night. I thought something was wrong. Mine's got an AM radio. This has push button 4-wheel drive. High and low transfer case. The push button 4-wheel drive, all it really does is actuates a front differential lock, which locks everything together, which is what that front differential lock is on some. The advantage of that is you could put it in low and have it in 2-wheel drive low or 2-wheel drive high, and then you could just push the button for 4-wheel drive. Do the differential lock if you want to lock the rear axle. 4-speed in this one. Horn works, not the driver. Each one of these panels flip down, which when I do a review I'll do a little better after I have it a little while. I already bought a 3-inch lift. I know a 2-inch lift is what everybody says to put in there, but I'm going with the 3. And I got 23-inch tires coming. DOT. Pretty aggressive tires. The blinkers on the right. So is the lights. Time to let the Japanese air out and put some American air in there. America. My wife likes this so much she wants to take it.
You wouldn't need a very big garage if we all had one of these.
I know.
I haven't seen a radio like that in ages.
Actually, it's not terrible at my size. I definitely wouldn't want to commute with it. But imagine if they made a section in the city that just had all little dinky cars like this, like they have in Japan and China.
Welcome to Connecticut's scenic roads.
I should be able to park this up on the sidewalk. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it up. It's all dirty. What are you laughing?
Don't ask.
You laughing at me? It is.
How'd you come up with that freaking thing?
You know, I do YouTube videos and stuff, so my latest project.
What are you gonna do with it?
Lift it and bigger tires on it and put a nice steel front bumper and back bumper. And
It's like a utility truck, isn't it? Like a little...
you can legally register those in Connecticut.
In Japan, you get your own assigned city parking places and everything if you drive one of those instead of a regular car.
I want to turn it into like a mini UTV. You know, like the 4-wheeler things.
Alright.
That's my Jeep right there. Hang on. Let's see. I'm matted. Kilometers.
45.
That's screaming.
60.
100 is 62. 90 is about 55. Boy, that's screaming. I think the bigger tires will do good because it'll give it a little higher gear, a little higher ratio. It had a little more. Yeah, this is nasty too. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
This old grime.
Yep. That's it. Go.
Whoa.
Fucking right. Cheers, bub. White rag.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's bad.
How loose this is?
So, is this the original license plate that came with it, or half of it?
Yeah.
Shit, you gotta keep this on the truck somewhere.
I am.
Truck, you're gonna spill our beef.
That's freaking hardened. That's not regular
That's a-
steel.
that's
It
a
did go
solid
in a
piece.
little bit though. It's hard.
That's what she said.
Yeah, look.
That's it.
Look at that.
Go on, sit back now.
That's fucking perfect. See that?
Well, that's the other side.
The other side was actually pretty decent. Decent. Perfect. Look at that.
That's it. Fucking man. You got a dolly or a chisel or something?
Well, I'm thinking if I can,
Because that will pull it right in as long as we can.
yeah. Or this has to bend.
No, I'd bend that before I bent this.
Yeah, but there's no give. Look,
There'll be
it's-
some give. There'll be some give.
Yeah, but it ain't gonna do any good because it's supposed to go against that. Even if I bend it, this has to be like.
It's like magic. It's a squeezing. Yeah.
If it works.
That's it. Yeah, you're.
Wow, that's fucking tight,
Alright,
boy.
that's it. Let's see that.
Oh yeah. The only thing that sucks
Doubt
is this
it,
piece.
it's fucked up.
It's like that.
No, that actually worked really well. Look. Now it's just this side. There you go. A little bit more.
A little more.
A little bit.
There
That's
it is. This side was driving me crazy. It kept hearing.
That one was rattling.
That's perfect now. Hey, did you see this?
What?
It's got a drain on a gas tank.
No fucking way.
Yeah.
Nice.
Right. I'm sure this is 85 140.
Hey, stop it. I'll fucking.
Stop it, Zutio.
Huh.
Hey, you guys.
The rear diff fluid's clean as hell. And full.
The diff fluid?
Which probably means that the mileage it says on the dash is right.
What is that, 50 kilometers?
It's like 34,000 kilometers.
Oh, that's like 10,000 miles.
Half. Well, it's like 60%.
Yeah, that's what the Kingston is.
Come with a toolkit? Look at that. Oh, this is loose. Wow, it's amazing. Get profile that spare is. I don't think it's gonna hold any air though.
So I think I'm set.
Look at that thing. See it?
Yeah, it's fucking shot.
155.
Shit left of that sidewall.
Done. A slide.
What are you doing, buddy?
There's a slide. That's how the spare comes out.
That shit. Fucking mini truck for the win, bro.
Yeah, boy. Mama. No mice in there, Mama?
No mice here.
What do you think, Mama?
Mr. Mice no here.
What's up with that cleaner? It smells like shit.
Dude, it's making me baked and I love it.
Yeah?
I'm staying in here. Hold on, let me shut the door.
Woo! Here, shut this door too. Good shit, right? Alright, wait a minute. Let's see. How heavy is this? Can you move it? Look at that.
It doesn't weigh shit. That's what I was telling you earlier. I'm like, the fucking thing, the shit works like magic.
Yeah, that's amazing.
It was never there.
Never there. Voila.
In the holes with it. You should have been there. It was fucking great.
Yeah,
I was
Alright,
like the first
cheers.
guy. I was the first guy on the moon.
that's right.
I was there. I was like Neil Armstrong.
Killed a couple 6-packs at the Anchor Orchard. The liquor talking.
Oh,
Is it the liquor talking?
hey, at least I'm still here.
Dude, I'm right here with you.
That's right. Me
I've been going
too.
at it all fucking day.
I know I done fucked up. I don't need to like try to hide that.
That's right. Fit a blow-up mattress right in here.
Dude, you're mint. You're set for the night.
That's right. I can't believe how clean you got these side panels. She's shining. Woo. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
Yo.
There, and that's a night.
Instant regret.
Cheers.
Toast in the mini.
Delicious. I love that taste. I could dunk a cracker with this.